Dear students, in this video, we will learn how to create a basic program in Python and how to take the screenshot of that code and the output and make a report file. So first I'll mention here the comment. This is the program where we will take two numbers from user and print the sum of numbers. Program to add two numbers. This is a comment line, single comment. As you know, we used to give with the help of hash, the hash symbol. So first I need to take first number. For number, we mention int, and input is a function which is used to take data from user. Then I'll take second number. Then I will take variable which will store the addition of numbers. Now my addition is saved in S variable. So here I will give print function which is used to give output. Here I will give message. Message is given inside inverted commas as I have given in input function, as well as I am giving in print function sum of numbers. Now I'll have to print the value of variable. So put comma then variable, that is S. Now I will save this code. Wherever you want to save, you can save. Now you can run it with run module. I will enter first number, then second number. Now it is giving the result. Now how to set this source code and output in your report file. Open Word document. Here first you need to write aim. In aim, you will write the question for program. Numbers. Got it. Now I will take screenshot of source code. For taking screenshot, search for snip tool. As soon as you will type snip, it will show you this option, snipping tool. This is the dialog box for snipping tool. Click on new. As soon as you get this plus sign, start making or dragging in rectangular form. As soon as you will release the click, you will get screenshot here. With this, you can just copy this. Here is a button for copy. Click on this, or you can right click on this picture and click on copy. Go to Word file, right click and paste. Else you can also press Ctrl V, V for victory. That is the shortcut for paste. Right now, this is my screenshot of source code. Now you will have to paste the output as well. Again, open snip tool. Click here. This is the sign for new. Drag. Make a rectangle by dragging. Copy. Go to Word file and paste. So this is your source code. This is your output. Now you can see in this picture, this black characters are visible. So you can crop this picture. Click on the picture, go to picture menu. Here you will get crop option. Now this you can reduce it. Whatever you want, you can just reduce it. Here also you can do it. Click on picture, crop and reduce. Got it? So likewise, you can make your report file. Now, if I want to make next program, suppose I want to take for subtraction of numbers. So what you can do, you can take a new file. I am editing in the same file. You can take other as well. Now this is the program to subtract two numbers. So again, I'll have to take two numbers. And what I need to do, just mention minus sign here. And the message should be subtraction of numbers, right? Now this program will print subtraction of numbers. It is giving subtraction. Now again, I'll have to put this in file. Go to your program. Again, you will have to open snip tool. Drag. You got the screenshot. Click on copy. Go to Word file. Here, on one page, you will be mentioning only one code. So how to insert next page? Press Ctrl Enter. As you can see, page is inserted. Now here, write the aim again for next question. Now the question is, write a program to subtract two numbers. I have already copied source code, press Ctrl V. Now the output, go to IDLE, then snipping tool, new snipping tool, new picture, new screenshot I need to take. Done. Copy, go to Word file and paste. So this is my second program. This is my first program. For ease, you can just insert the page number so that you can work accordingly. So go to Insert tab. Here we have page numbers, bottom of the page, and this center you need to select. So here page 1. Now this page number will automatically be used. This is 1, this is 2. In this way, you can create your report file. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can mention in comment section. Thank you.